Do this, and you will never see flies and mosquitoes in your house again. Hello, friends. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm sharing an easy and natural homemade repellent that will help you say goodbye to flies and mosquitoes for good. And the best part? You only need one simple ingredient from your kitchen. Let's get started. 1 cup of water. 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon, the secret star of this recipe. Add the ground cinnamon to the cup of water. Stir well until fully mixed. Carefully pour the mixture into a spray bottle using a funnel. For best results, place gauze or a small cloth over the funnel to prevent clogging. Shake well before each use. Spray around doorways, windows, gutters, and even on plants in your garden. Don't worry, cinnamon is safe for plants and even beneficial for their health. The strong cinnamon scent smells amazing to us, but flies and mosquitoes can't stand it. This simple trick will keep them far away without using harmful chemicals. Tell me in the comments which city or country you're watching from, and don't forget to rate this trick from 0 to 10. If you found this tip helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends to help them enjoy a fly-free home too. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more easy home hacks. That's all for today, friends. Until next time, stay safe and God bless.